Hey, welcome back guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Microsoft Outlook account, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you change your display name in Microsoft Outlook? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to change your display name in Microsoft Outlook anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business and you're sending messages out through Microsoft Outlook, maybe you want to change it over to your business name, or maybe you set up your account and your name is kind of cheesy. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Microsoft Outlook account. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my Microsoft Outlook account, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to change your display name, up here on the top right, you're going to click on your initials. Okay, once you do that, you're going to see your display name. You can see mine says Make Money Ant. So in order to change that, you're going to click here, My Microsoft Account. Okay, once you do that, you're going to see this menu here on the left, and you want to click on your info. Okay, once you do that, you're going to see your info, and then you want to look for this line right here, full name. You can see it right here. And off to the right, you're going to see a blue button called Edit Name. Click on there. Okay, so here is where you can go ahead and change your display name. So let's go ahead and correct this. So I'm going to change this to Anthony. And then as you look to the bottom, the save button, it's grayed out. That's because you have to fill this out. So let's go ahead and fill this out, this CAPTCHA. Okay, after you filled it out, you can see the save button turns blue. Go ahead and click on there. Okay, a quick second later, the page refreshes. Now you can see my display name has now changed. So let's go back here to my Microsoft Outlook account. Okay, here I am back in my Microsoft Outlook. And then if we click over here on my initials, you can see it still says Ant, not Anthony. So let's go ahead and refresh the page. Okay, I refresh the page and click here again. Okay, now you can see it's been updated to my full name. If we hover over it, it says Make Money Anthony. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to update your display name in Microsoft Outlook, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.